Like I said, that is some gloss right there, folks. I mean, it's just different from daylight and from dark. You remember how dull it was beforehand? Now, hey, what's up, everybody? So we've got a 19 Trail Boss, and I'm going to be doing a buff, polish, getting this thing cleaned up. And I will say, this truck looks pretty good right now, but I am so jealous because these are one of the trucks that I've been wanting to get, and maybe I will. But for now, we're going to make this truck look just simply amazing because we're going to go ahead and do a touch-up on it, as well as a full-on buff with our 3-stage system, and it's going to look just absolutely tough. So let's get into it. All right, so this truck is in pretty good shape. I'm going to start out with our 2nd stage on this, see if we can take it down to the 3rd and final stage and see what it looks like, but I'm going to try the 2nd stage first. There's probably some areas I'm going to have to hit with the 1st stage and then 2nd and 3rd, but I think the majority of this truck I can hit with the 2nd and 3rd stage and make it look like glass. So let's find out. Okay, so we have got this thing cleaned up, we've got it buffed, we've got our 3-stage finishing product done, and we've actually got some ceramic coat on it. So let's walk around and check out and see how well this truck actually looks. I mean, like I said, that is some gloss right there, folks. I mean, it's just different from daylight and from dark. You remember how dull it was beforehand? Now, well, you can see my reflection just the same as almost like a mirror. So yeah, I'm really happy with the way this truck turned out, and I think the customer's gonna love it too. So let's go ahead and we'll go get the customer and, well, let's see what he thinks about it. So if you want to see more videos like this right here, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe. Thanks for watching.